Hi there. If you have an Echo Show, your home screen is about to change big time. And I'm not just saying that because that's what's written on the teleprompter in front of me. Right. Here are the top 3 improvements to your Echo Show home screen that should have been updated to your device automatically. Number 1, a split screen that shows more information at once. This is what my home screen looked like this morning. Weather, check. Online acting class reminder, check. And ooh, my stock went up today. Ching! I have one. So, your home screen will let you see more things at once. Which brings us to number 2, more ways to customize your home screen. If you're into sports, okay, you'll see a screen that looks more like this. If you're into cooking, yum yum, you'll be able to see more cooking stuff. And if you decide you want to see more delicious recipes, you can tap this button and hit Show More. And then there's number 3, more timely content based on the time of the day. The idea is to Echo Show you more of what matters to your life. Alexa, show me my Mr. Whiskers photo album.
Your album, Mr. Whiskers.
He can be an angel when he wants to be. Be sure your Echo Show has the latest software update, and Alexa can help you see more of what you want.